Make sure to subscribe Tech Lover. Once you subscribe, you will be notified from every new video from your channel. Hello guys, this is Tech Lover. In this quick tutorial video, I just want to show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphone to your Android device. What you're gonna do, just open the charger of headphone and get the right head of the headphone. And this is the right one. We have to keep press the button of the QCY headphone. Now you can see it is just shining me about 3 or 4 colors. And we're gonna put it here. Then open the lock of your phone, go into the Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth and just connect to QCY Pro. It has been connected now. Now just close the Bluetooth of your Android device. Turn off the headphone now by keep pressing its button. Keep pressing on the buttons of both of them. Once you have done, you will see the winking of QCY by 3 or 4 colors. And now time to keep pressing one by one. And now you can see it has been connected to each other. Time to get back to the Bluetooth option of your phone. Turn on it and click on the parent device, which is QCY Pro. As you can see, connected for call and media audio. I will be back on the menu and check out for the music, and I'm gonna play a music here. And I'm gonna put here. Maybe we can hear its music. Now I can use my Bluetooth headphones. It's ready.